Hey there, welcome back to our class and thank you so much for your interest to continue this course and to joining this class. Okay, in the previous class we have done so far. Looks here. Okay, looks good. And today we are going to make a section. So as we making a combination from this both website, that's why we are going to skip a little bit, and today we are going to add a new section, and I would like to add this section to our website. Okay, to add this section, actually we are making a combination from both section. We try to add this one, also try to add this content. Okay, to do this, go to our website and click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, now scroll down. Okay, and we are going to add new container, flexbox, and select this one. Okay, and move it. Okay, and add padding. Click on the advanced padding 120 pixel. Then we want to add a section like this one, 100% money back guarantee. So we're going to copy this one, yes, and paste it in here, not here, paste in here. Then money back guarantee, copy it, save this image. Okay, and add this image in here, select, download. Okay, click on the select and then change the text. We change it to 100% money back guarantee. Okay, then approval. Okay, and also we want to change the padding, for example 0 padding, and now we can add padding 25, 10 pixel, 25, 10 pixel, or 5 pixel. Looks good. Okay, also $25.0. Perfect. Okay, we can add another things in here, that is hover and hover sync are okay. Okay, also you can add a box shadow by default. Okay, perfect. And our 10 pixel looks good. And now we're going to add this text, a title in here. So copy this one, paste in here, then edit, copy. We have to change the color, so change the color. Perfect, looks here. Also text alignment, then this content. So going to copy this one and paste in here in the same way, and copy this text, paste this text in here and change the color. Okay, and yes, looks good. So simple. We can also add a padding in here. Okay, now it's perfect. Background color, yes, white by default. Click on the publish. Okay, then we'll add another things, that is we are going to add our testimonial section and a FAQ section, also Instagram feed. Now we are going to add another section, and that is FAQ. As you see, there is a FAQ section in this store, so we are going to add a FAQ section. So click on here, flex box, click on it, then copy this or duplicate, drag and drop, FAQ, text align center, and we're going to add a padding. .50 pixel. Okay, and then click on here, flex box, select this one, and now search, click on this add element, search accordion, drag and drop accordion from here. There have others accordion, looks here. We can use anyone based on our requirement. So we're going to keep this one and add some accordion from here. Just copy, and this one. Okay, also this one. Also going to copy this text to add in here. Okay, then add more accordion, add new. Okay, then add another. Okay, and finally add this one. Okay, now just going to change the typography. Lila, perfect. And we can change the font size for description from here, just increase it. Yes, and line height, not bad. Perfect. Okay, looks good. So we have added this section, also this one. Let me change, remove the padding. Perfect. Okay, click on the publish. Okay, looks so good and nice. In the next tutorials we'll add testimonial and we'll add Instagram feed, and finally we'll work on the footer section. Okay, so now we are going to check it. Looks here, scroll down, looks good. Yes, yes, yes. So I hope you understand. So thank you for your time to joining this class and continue this class, and I hope you enjoy this class also, and you can do everything what I have shared in here, and you can apply this. You can build your website by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So thank you again. If you need any service support relevant website design, especially WordPress or Shopify relevant or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.